Recently, both of my Art Bell radios have developed audio problems. So in this very short video, I'll show you how to fix a classic Sangean ATS909 that's got scratchy, distorted sound. Now, the problem is coming from the internal speaker. I'm going to flex it. Hear that? Hear that noise? We have a scratchy voice coil. So replace the speaker and the radio will play fine. Now let's just prove that. Here's a similar sized speaker. I'll flex it. Perfectly silent. Okay, so what kind of speaker do we need to get? Well, we'll look at the back of this one. On this radio, again, this one is from roughly 1996, maybe 97. This one's an 8 ohm, 3 watt speaker. You can see it right here. 8 ohm, 3 watt. Could we use a 4 ohm? We shouldn't. It might blow something up. Could we use a 16 ohm? Shouldn't do that either because that will decrease the volume. It won't play as loud. What about the wattage? Well, we can't go less than that. We shouldn't go less than that. We could go higher than that. It would just mean we could play it louder without danger of destroying the speaker. Now, the next thing we need to know before we buy a new speaker is we notice that this is a perfectly round speaker. Speakers can be oval, they can be square, and all shapes in between. So this is an 8 ohm, 3 watt round speaker. Now, the next thing we need to know is the size. How big a speaker should we be ordering here? Well, we'll measure that with a digital caliper. See if we can get that to 0. There we go. So we'll open it up. .24, so we'll round that off and say we've got 77 millimeters. So this is roughly 77 millimeters in diameter. Next thing would be the depth. It's got to fit in the case. We got about 29 millimeters of depth. So roughly 77 millimeter diameter, 29 millimeter deep, 8 ohm, 3 watt round speaker. Now the speaker is just held in place by 2 little clips. You will have to unsolder and resolder the wires to the new speaker. So how do we get the radio apart? It's very easy. You need a #1 screwdriver. There's only a half a dozen screws or so holding this together. There's one in the corner. Here, here, here. There's one hidden under the antenna. You pull these knobs off. You can clean all the dust because this should come right out. This is the protective lens. This should pop right off. You can clean all the dust that's going to be collected under there. So once you get the knobs off, you just take a bite from the opening that's provided with your cabinet separation tool. I like a stiff blade putty knife that's been rounded off so that we don't dig into anything. I think I started more or less right here, and the case will pop right off. And so you do that, your radio will be like new again. Okay, let's see what it sounds like.
From the high desert in the great American Southwest, I bid you all good evening and or good morning, wherever you may be across this great land of ours and beyond.